In this tutorial, you'll learn how an email admin might fix the error messages DNS records are not set up correctly and TXT record is missing. Zendesk customer support can advise or assist with your external email configuration. This video shows examples that may help you and your email admin resolve this issue together outside of Zendesk. Open the product tray and select Admin Center. Next, navigate to Channels. And under Talk and Email, select Email. The error messages appear under a support address that you added. Go to your external account to resolve these error messages. The first step is to open another tab and log into your account. This example uses a GoDaddy account. Although you may have another email provider, the steps should be fairly similar. Navigate to the DNS section of your settings. Search for the TXT record that contains your Zendesk verification TXT record. If you have not added the TXT record, this is the time to do so. Enter or edit the TXT record using the information provided for your support address on the email page in Admin Center. Save the TXT record. Navigate back to your Zendesk settings. Refresh the page and click the Verify DNS Records button. Green checks appear once the DNS record is verified. Keep in mind that the verification can take up to 48 hours. You have now learned how to fix the email error messages DNS records are not set up correctly and TXT records are missing. Thanks for watching.